this on. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, so I know it's been like, oh my gosh, it's been a while since I last posted a video. I was in grade 10, so I've been waiting for this package for around 2 weeks now. I went through a lot trying to get the Switch. Basically, I have been waiting for this package, like I said, for 2 weeks. And basically, I ended up buying 2 Switches because I thought that this was never gonna come. I know I only had to wait 2 weeks, but keep in mind we're in quarantine. Every day feels like it's a repeat. Feels like Christmas. Sorry. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the Coral Switch, and I also got Animal Crossing, and like, it's so beautiful. I told myself I was gonna do a TikTok. I think I'm just gonna refilm it when I do the TikTok, but this is a game. I'm gonna do the unboxing of this. I actually have opened a Switch before. Oh my god. There's a Switch. I think it's pretty true to color. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. As you can see, like, by the aesthetic of my room, I really love pink. It's my Wi-Fi password. I actually don't know my Wi-Fi password. Oh, I forgot, it's like touch screen. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna set this all up and then we'll play some Animal Crossing. So it turns out I didn't actually have to set it up. I'm just gonna open up the game. I have nails, so like I have to use tweezers. I went through so much trying to get the Switch and the game. It's super cute. I think it goes here. Oh, it's finally through. I'm gonna clear up some storage on my phone so I can record. I can't even be mad at them. I finally cleared up some space and we're finally gonna play. I have a really ratchet setup. As you can see, like, oh, wait, hold on. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys are so excited. I think a pretty fair tone. The hair is pretty dark, but I'm gonna go with brown. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with... No, I think I'm gonna go with these. I have pretty red cheeks, so I'm gonna put some blush on. So they're gonna show me some maps. I can terraform anyway, right? But I'm not sure, like... I think some food. I'm a pretty hungry person. I honestly don't think I'm gonna get peaches, but you know, I'm gonna have to reset the game. I really hope it's peaches. Oh shoot, apples. Oh my gosh. I have to restart the game. I don't even know how to... Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna try to get peaches, and once I do, and I'll get back with you guys. So I think I'm gonna end the video here, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below if you guys want me to make gameplay. I don't have active viewers or anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you